Hey everyone, today we've got my favorite one, the alligator. One really cool strategy with this indicator is already waiting for you. Enjoy. So you guys watch my videos and want to start making money, but you've got some questions left, or perhaps you want to make sure these strategies actually work in practice, then you literally need to follow my Telegram channel. I delve into more detail of the strategies over there and regularly host live streams trading with my subscribers. Hey everyone, today I'm gonna try to make $500 out of 100 via binary options, meaning I would multiply my deposit a whole 5 times. In this video, I'm gonna be using one simple yet profitable strategy that'll help both me and you guys make money. Watch this video carefully until the very end because I'm gonna be using lots of helpful tips that'll improve your trading. So enjoy. Let's start. For starters, let's add one indicator. First, it's called Alligator. Now let's set it properly. Basically, we're clicking right here, go into the style section. Now we want to add an extra pixel to the blue line so that it can be 2 pixels bold. Click and save, and that's it. Now let's figure out how to work with this indicator. Basically, we can see 3 lines. The blue line represents the overall trend. That's exactly the one we will be primarily navigating the chart with. This line might play the roles of either resistance or support, meaning whenever the price approaches this line, we will place a trade suggesting a pullback. The second way to work with this indicator implies using intersections of the other 2 lines with the blue one. These intersections indicate the overall trend switch. If we witness the two lines crossing the blue one upwards, the trend is changing into an upward one, hence we would place an upward trade in this case. And whenever the situation is vice versa, that means the 2 lines crossing the blue one downwards, we can place downwards, a trade. Now let's get to trading. So I found the first case, placing a trade downwards. We can see the prices approach the blue line that plays the role of resistance. That's exactly why I'm entering downwards here. Besides that, we can witness this candle with a tiny body and a large upward shadow that indicates a strong seller's presence within this area that will keep on pushing the price further down. I hope everything's clear so far, guys. And look how immaculately the indicator implemented this signal. Just look at this impulsive motion. I'm sure this trade will close in a confident profit. Let's see how it goes. As expected, we're getting the profit. Let's carry on. Found another case, placing a 1-minute trade downwards. We can see the price broke through the blue line that used to play the role of support, and moreover, we can see the line was crossed downwards, which indicates the trend switched to a downward one. Besides all of that, take a glance at the candles. They're so impulsive and full-bodied. These candles indicate the presence of a strong buyer who's going to keep pushing the price further down. While the trade is getting processed, I'd like to give you guys an advice. Besides the indicator signals, I strongly recommend you to pay attention to other additional factors such as candles, levels, and the general trend. That's very important. They're going to help you find a more accurate entry point. Another trade just closed in a profit. Let's carry on. And I would also like to decrease the deal amount to play it, safer. Found another case for us, and I want to place a trade downwards here. So we can see the blue line that's currently playing the role of support has been broken through. I can also see it's been crossed by the other 2 lines downwards, which indicates a trend switch. Placing a $100 trade downwards. And by the way, guys, the way previous candle settled definitely worth our attention. It has a large upward shadow and a small body. That is a nice confirmation of our entry point. In this video, by the way, I'm taking really high risks. However, I strongly recommend you guys to strictly follow your risk management. Look at that incredible downward motion we managed to capture. We witnessed it all along, but the trade ended up failing in the very last moment, placing a cover in one with $200 and waiting for the result. By the way, look at this little correction for retracement. It can be considered to be a level retest, hence an additional signal to enter downwards. Meanwhile, see what confident of emotion we managed to capture with the cover and trade. Our analysis and the indicator signal turned out correct. Let's move on to the next case. Found another great case, placing a trade upwards. First of all, we can see the blue line being crossed upwards, which indicates a further rise. Besides that, we can take a look at the chart's history and find another confirmation of that signal in order to make sure the general chart course is actually upward. Let's see. And let's take a glance at the candles. We can see nice impulsive upward candles, and the last one got a large shadow at the bottom. This indicates a strong buyer that's going to keep trying to go further up. I'm literally shocked how due to such a simple strategy, we captured such incredible price fluctuations. Obviously, this trade is closing in the profit just as well. Our goal of making $500 out of 100 is successfully reached. Let's take a look at our statistics. Go to update first. So now let's withdraw the profit we made. Click on finance right here. Now withdrawal. Type in the amount right here. Enter in our wallet address right here. And the verification code. Click on continue. And our withdrawal request is successfully applied. So thanks to such a simple strategy, we managed to increase our deposit amount 5 times. That's impressive, guys. Just imagine what would have happened had you been trading with me all along. Today on my Telegram channel, I'm hosting a trade-in session where I'm going to be using not only this strategy, but also a whole bunch of other ones. The link is going to be waiting for you in the description below this video. That's it for today, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.